So this is day 11 of my trade recaps. It's the last day of the month and I catched another winning trade. So it's been a good month, I would say. But let's jump right into the analysis. So for today, as you can see, we had an inside candle, still inside candle. So Asia, London and the New York AM session, or the current session, I think, it didn't really expand much lower or much higher, so it's kind of accumulating, consolidating. Also, if you look at the weekly chart, we already took out previous week's high. We took out these highs, and we also just already printed in a huge wick lower. So we kind of can expect to hover around in this area right here. And obviously it's the last day of the month, so we're not expecting any higher move or any volatile move. If you look at the monthly candle, we already put in that large wick on the top and that large wick on the bottom, so it wouldn't make sense to turn bearish or expand much higher here. So, and this also, you can see this perfectly in the session. We're kind of consolidating actually during all the sessions. So this is Asia, this is London, and this is New York AM. But yeah, let's jump right into it. I want to look on the 1 hour. That's what I did for my bias, because I knew we were gonna consolidate, but I still wanted to find my daily bias. And as you can see, we got here a weekly cycle SSMT, bullish SSMT with YM. So YM already took out previous day's low, NQ didn't. And we also see this nice TCST rejection and the retest at the 8 a.m. candle. You know, I'm going on the chart at 9 a.m. So this gave me the kind of bullish bias that we can go for these kind of the previous hourly candles high, and also this swing point right here. Also in the 4 hour candle, we had the CRT, so we expected this high at least to get taken, which happened perfectly. And we also rebalanced kind of this range a little bit right here, so almost to 50% of it. It's roughly 50%, a bit above. But so my bias was kind of bullish, but obviously didn't expect so much. But I took the trade on the opening, literally just 1 minute after the opening. I think I went into the trade. But let's mark out a few things first. So I hopped on the charts at the 9 a.m. This was our trade. No, this was the opening at the market open. And let's check out the 50-minute before. Really, we were chopping up. We didn't have any SSMT forming, so I really was moving around in the 1 minute time frame. We got this bullish SSMT right here, but we failed really to what am I talking? So we are here. We had this bearish SSMT, and we're you could have entered here actually, but I really wanted to wait. I thought we were going down a little. I wanted to wait for these micro SSMT between quarter 1 and quarter 2 to form. And this is also the entry I took as soon as we inverted, not inverted, but retested, confirmed the TCST and retested it, just went in long. Alright, it was really just a pretty quick trade. Right here, stops down there, target this high right here, or actually I targeted the previous hourly candles. I didn't reach for the high of it. And this was pretty nice, almost 4 RR. And pretty quick in and out, just really 2 candles. I entered right here with a smaller risk size. So here I put in 5 cons. Here I started putting in 2 cons, 2 micros, because I thought maybe we also could expand already from this inversion TCIST, and or maybe no. Let's see, but I entered earlier, I think. I just don't know why, but I entered earlier with just a small position, really not much, so the stop loss would be like $50. But this was the main trade. Beautiful SSMT right here. Waited for the SSMT to form, not risk too much earlier, and also beautiful TCST retest, not to the ticker, but really nice, and then just one single 1 minute candle like this. Yeah, it gave me like about the profit was about, I think it was about 1,100, a bit more, I think. Yeah, pretty nice trade. Yesterday I also took a nice trade, so I'm in profit now for the evil I'm trading. And yeah, it's pretty nice overall price action reading. Also, we are chopping around and we still catch this nice move. So this was kind of the accumulation right here. Then this was some high taken right here. No, this was a high taken, so it's double purge. We took the high on ES, so we also took out the buy side liquidity right here, and then we took out the low, so we took out the sell side liquidity. We took out both sides, and this just gave us the fuel to actually go higher and move. But yeah, you see now we're chopping around a little. I don't expect any more things, because yeah, we're just kind of chopping around. It's last day of the month. So this was today's trade recap. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something. And yeah, also we were actually under the true micro session open and below the true session open, so I really had the more confidence. So it's called stacked opens. I really had the confidence to actually long here. So pretty nice, and that's it, and see you next week in the next video.